Welcome back to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man. Today we're going to take a look at an ADA compliant, NEMT approved Chrysler Voyager with the bronability ramp on a stick. Now this will meet all DOT compliance across all 50 states. We got our 56-inch vertical opening through that side door. Come down to our ramp. Got the 2-inch side lips. Now these are going to stay stationary, so you don't have to worry about things needing service or adjustment. We've got our true 30 inches of width through the door. Now as this goes in, we're going to simply use this handle, and that's why this is referred to as ramp on a stick. Going to lift it up and stow it on in and come right into its cassette. At that point we'll stow the handle, and there it is. So if we have able-bodied passengers we want to have come in and out, we can simply power open the door without the ramp being in the way. Being that most vehicles today you're not able to get them without a power door, you'll be able to activate the OEM remote, open up that power door. But because this is the ramp on the stick, that ramp is going to stow beneath the floor. Next, what we'll take a look at is the optional 2-person jump seat. Of course, we have the 3-person bench in the rear, but you can get additional seating other than just that. Now this seat here is going to have full reclining capability. If we wanted to stow this for more room for the wheelchair, we're going to simply press this lever. Our backrest will fold. At that point, I'm going to push down on this red lever here. The entire seat's going to stow up out of the way. When that seat is in the stowed position, got plenty of room for a large bariatric chair here in that second row. Want additional wheelchair position? This front passenger seat is on a removable base, enable you to support additional wheelchair location. The driver's seat on these now are no longer removable. They are fixed. Put in the description. Send you over to BLVD.com. We've got over 5,000 new and used wheelchair vans for sale online. These can be shipped nationwide. We have funding available through financing, whether it be Maury's Mobility Finance, Falls Mobility, and now Bronability has launched a new program. Subscribe to the channel. We'll kind of take you through that as we get through it here, but it is going to change the game when it comes time to financing vehicles as well as leasing, which is the most exciting piece of it. This vehicle here has got about 3,500 miles on it. It was actually sold as a demo. As it does get delivered today, it will have the full warranty restart as though it was brand new. The Bronability modification comes with a full 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. Total purchase price on this modification looking about $34,000 for just the mod. This particular chassis new, looking around $40K total package. It's up there, but that's why we have used as well. Pricing anywhere from the middle teens all the way up to a couple $100,000 depending on what your budget is. Vehicles are in stock, ready to ship for immediate delivery. Search BLVD.com. If you're in Minnesota, Iowa, or the Dakotas, Wisconsin alike, check out our friends at Cummings Mobility. They are the premier Midwest wheelchair accessible dealer for Bronability. BLVD.com.